So this is a sun oven. We got this several years back as like an emergency preparedness thing. But it cooks things actually quite nicely when it's sunny and warm. We've used it at Lake Powell before, and we're using it here on the property because then it doesn't heat the RV up when I need to bake something. So today I've made a rhubarb crisp. I wish it was from our own rhubarb that we're growing, but it's not. We got it from my sister and brother-in-law. Thank you very much, because we love rhubarb crisp. So I'm going to get it out of the oven now. You can see it in there, except that it's a little bit bubbly. I mean, foggy. So let me pull this open. Oops. Gotta get a hold of it. It's got up to 300 degrees in there. I don't know if you can see the thermometer. Yeah, it's all bubbly and nice. So I think I'm going to take it out. So here it is. Yeah, so here's that finished rhubarb crisp. Looks scrumptious. I'll have that for dinner tonight or lunch. One of the two. And now I'm gonna add a couple of baked potatoes. Cook them for probably 2 hours or so. So here we go. Let's see if I can video this. So you just drop them on this little tray that keeps it even. Right now it's at just under 250, but that's because I have everything open. So I close the glass. Let me just rotate this little, ooh, that's hot. Rotate the little knob on top. I'm not gonna worry about it. And then you just have to make sure that the reflectors are facing the sun. The sun has moved a little bit. So I'm rotating it. And that should bring it back up. Temperature should climb back up pretty quickly. Anyway, we'll just let those bake for a couple hours.